Welcome to the new Kid Show. That's not how it works.
What?
It's a magic fridge. Nothing in there when you test it. Do magic to mommy.
Okay.
Wow! It's a frozen cherry. Circle.
Huh? What?
What is frozen cherry?
It's a magic fridge, mommy.
Aha, Daniel, you're so naughty. Is it a magic fridge?
Yes, mommy, wanna try?
Let's try the gummy bear.
Yummy. Oh, it's frozen, mommy. A triangle gummy. Triangle. I need a real gummy.
What is that?
Mega gummy bear. Mega gummy bear. Open it. Time to eat.
Wow,
Really?
look at this. It's a giant. It's giant, Andrew.
It's giant.
It's gummy.
Giant. Hooray! Eat the head.
Mmm.
Just eat the head. Eat the head. I mean, eat the eyes. When we told you, eat it. Yummy.
Yay!
Did you open?
Wow.
What? Really?
Hey, what is that?
It's a rectangle. It's a shape. It's a rectangle. Andrew. He eats eyes.
Wow.
Papa.
Uh-oh.
Okay.